Greetings from the Bronx, and this is a stroll through the Twin Island Nature Preserve. We are in the Pelham Bay Park section of I Love New York. You can see there are some little islands to be viewed. And this is a free nature trail. No admission to enter Pelham Bay Park, and we are right alongside of the ever fun Orchard Beach. It's a July afternoon, about 93 degrees, and I gotta say the Bronx is doing pretty good, looking lush green, but we are at the entrance to the New England Thruway, so a little bit greener as you head in this direction. There are markers to tell you some of the beautiful agriculture that you will be seeing, and there is another island to be found, and that is Two Tree Island. That is one of the joys of walking the nature preserve, is you can arrive here on low tide and be able to spend some time on Two Tree Island. I've already been there on a high tide day, and it is possible to walk over. $2.75 will get you here from anywhere in I Love New York. Just take the 6 train to the last stop, Pelham Bay Park, and then you'll catch the BX12 bus to Orchard Beach. And if the BX12 is not running, it's out of the summer season, you could take the BX29 to City Island, and you could still walk over from that direction. There's some great quiet time over here. So if you come on a Sunday and you have a little bit of salsa Sunday, where there'll be dancing and DJs alongside of Orchard Beach, and then you want to wind down on the quiet side, here it is. Two Tree Island, part of the Twin Island Preserve. Again, Pelham Bay Park, the Bronx of I Love New York. You can walk up and enjoy some really beautiful summer sunsets here. It's a really quiet section of the Bronx. Now on to Two Tree Island. You can see, obviously, there are more than 2 trees on Two Tree Island. It was named after one of the early arrivals, the indigenous people, and that person's name who lived there went under the title of Two Tree, hence the name. There used to be a sign right at the entrance that said you were visiting Two Tree Island. That is no longer there. So utilize that visual if you're coming to the Bronx and exploring some of Pelham Bay Park. There is your 360 view. Till next time, happy summer from ever beautiful I Love New York.